While you're working on your digital art, here's how I want you to save it. So I've added some things to this, and I'm continuing to add color, but we only have so much time in the class period to do this, which means you're going to have to save your artwork frequently and open it up the next day. I'm going to show you what's called a file naming convention. A file naming convention simply means it's how you save your file. So remember, always set this to PSD. I'm on the File tab. I'm going to click Save. And then this is the standard format that Kleki saves files in. I've already typed this out, but I'm going to copy and paste it in here. And here's what I want you to name it. AZHand underscore Kleki underscore your first initial and your last name, what grade you're in, and what period you're in. So again, AZHand stands for ALPHAZHand Handlebit. Kleki is the application that we're using to paint. Your first initial of your first name is in lowercase, and your last name is spelled out beginning with an uppercase letter or a capital letter. The first number is what grade you're in, and after the P, that's what period number you have in art. Your computer should automatically save things to the Downloads folder. So I'm going to click Save. And since I've saved it once already, it just asked me if I wanted to overwrite that file. And in this case, the answer is yes. So now I can close Kleki. And again, as I'm saving these things, I want to go and make sure that I've deleted older versions of it. So I'm going to go to my Downloads folder. This is the one that I just saved. And these are various other files that I've saved in here. I only want the most recent copy of the file in my computer because it takes up a lot of memory. So any previous ones that I've done, I'm going to delete. And I'm going to have a lot more files on here than you are on yours because I've been opening and saving multiple files as I've gone. The problem is that these files take up a lot of memory. This one is 16 megabytes. This one's 4 megabytes. The difference between these two is this one is a Photoshop file and this one is just a JPEG. So I'm going to go ahead and delete those, and that's going to free up space on my hard drive.